you ready to simplify your digital life by removing an old or unused Facebook page? You're in the right place. Hi everyone, in today's tutorial, we're going to walk through the steps to permanently delete your Facebook page. Whether you're decluttering your digital presence or just focusing on what truly matters, this guide is going to make it quick and easy for you. First things first, make sure you're the admin of the page you wish to delete. Only an admin has the permissions required to delete a page. Open your web browser and go to facebook.com. Log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, click on the drop down arrow in the top right corner of your screen. From the drop down menu, select your page and then choose the page you wish to delete. You should be now on your page. Look for the settings menu, which is usually found at the bottom corner of the left sidebar. Click on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, navigate to Privacy option, then tap on Facebook page information. Here you can see the option for deactivation and deletion at the last. Tap on View. Now tap on Delete Page. If you permanently want to delete your page, then tap on Continue. Then if you want to download the information, you can download the information as well. Then you'll be prompted to enter your password for security reason. And that's it. You've successfully deleted your Facebook page. Remember, this action is permanent. Once you delete your page, you won't be able to get it back or retrieve any of the content or information you've added it. I hope this tutorial was helpful in guiding you through the process of deleting a Facebook page. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more videos.